Welcome friends, it's Miss Gisa, and today we are going to pick some lemons and avocados and learn how to do it correctly with our friend Mike Mazzara.
Hello. So welcome to my backyard. My wife Katie and I have 2 avocado trees and a lemon tree. They are not Meyer lemons, they are just kind of standard California lemons, and we have beautiful avocados just waiting to get picked. So let's get started.
All right,
So first we're going to use this fruit picker here. So Gisa, let's extend this a little bit for you. About here, and then let's tighten it. Okay. There you go.
All right.
So this is an avocado tree.
What kind of avocados are these?
Forte.
Fuerte.
Forte.
Okay.
Let me say that again. Forte.
Fuerte.
Forte.
Okay.
Let's ask me again.
What kind of avocados are these?
Forte avocados. Forte avocados are shaped like a pear,
Okay.
and they're not like Haas avocados that most people see.
That's all I've ever had.
They're California avocados. They're
Okay.
thin-skinned. They're shaped like a pear, and they don't have a lot of lumps or ridges. They're really smooth, and they're
Okay.
super creamy once you ripen them.
Yum.
They're kind of a hybrid of 2 different avocados. So you can really only find them in California.
Oh, really?
That's cool.
There you go. Oh, nice!
Yay!
Let's take a look at it.
Okay.
So, see how
really bumpy.
smooth it is? Well, it's not too bumpy compared to a Haas avocado.
It's
That's
more
true.
like it's smooth and it has bumps, but they're smaller bumps.
But they're small bumps. So right now it's nice and green. You put this in a paper bag for a couple weeks, and it'll start to darken. You'll know it's ripe when it's a little bit more purple or a dark color, and it's a little soft.
Okay.
These are little squirrel marks.
Oh.
The squirrels like to test them out and see how soft they are. I would never mind that. I would just cut it off and then put it in your bag. So squirrels are very territorial. There's actually a squirrel that kind of runs this whole tree. And whenever a neighboring squirrel will come over to our yard, he'll get on his hind, he'll puff up his back and start going
Really?
and bark at him. It's very territorial. Yeah. Even when I come out here, he'll yell at me.
I see a really, I see some big ones. This one's huge. I think
Yeah.
this is like 5 inches.
Yeah, it's kind of tricky. You'll get it. There you go.
Oh, that one's a big one.
So when we talk about pear shape, look at this one, Gisa. I mean, look at that guy.
Wow. It almost looks like a zucchini.
Compare it to the other
Yeah.
ones.
Hey, this is great.
Yeah,
Kiddos, look. You got the small, medium, and large. All right, do you want to try it, Adele?
Sure.
There's a big one right there. I don't know if you see it.
Where? Okay. Okay. I see it.
You remember how to hook it?
Yeah.
There we go.
Nice job. You're a natural.
Well, thanks.
Can I?
I've never picked avocados before. So avocados are really great brain and skin food. They're high in omegas and healthy fats.
Oh, there we go. All right, check
nice.
this one out. What do you think of that, Gisa?
Oh, it's beautiful. Oh my goodness, look, yeah. The circumference is definitely
perfect.
rounder. It's definitely bigger.
And there are no.
And there are no bites from the squirrels.
You know, avocados are fruit. They're not a vegetable.
And how do we know that, Adele? Can you explain?
Well, some people, the scientists are debating on whether the definition of a fruit is something that has seeds or if it's something that's sweet. Because technically, cucumbers, tomatoes, peppers, avocados, those are all fruits. Also, broccoli is a fruit too because it has flowers which has seeds.
You want to try some lemons?
Yeah, let's do it.
This is how you don't pick lemons.
Why isn't it coming off?
There. Twist. Twist and pull.
Should I do it?
Yeah. Make a basket. This is the one I wanted right here.
Careful.
This is the plumpest one.
Oh,
This is the plumpest one on the tree.
Oh. Careful. Oh, look at this one.
Adele made a good point that when you are picking lemons, you have to watch out because a lot of lemon trees have thorns. So you do have to watch your eyes and your hands. Thanks for joining us for another episode.
Nice job, you guys.
Thanks for your help.
Professional avocado and lemon pickers right here, everybody.
Thanks for inviting us to your lush and beautiful backyard.
It's a pleasure to have you. Thanks for coming. Enjoy.
Bye. Thank you for joining me today. Remember to like and subscribe to support our channel.